Hello everybody. It's so good to learn how to repair stuff, you know. Someone gave me this MacBook here and it just had a bad hard drive. It's a Core i5 Mac. He had two other ones, so I fixed those. They didn't have bad hard drives, they just had bad operating systems. So loaded internet recovery, replaced the hard drive in this one, and repaired his other two and kept this one. Pretty nice Mac. It's the only thing that actually gets the Wi-Fi. My PCs can't even do that, so I understand why people use Macs, you know. It took a little learning curve, but I think I got it down pat. It's pretty stylish too, also. You could turn the keyboard lights up and down. You turn the screen up. It has individual buttons. The screen on this is like really good, you know. The keyboard lights are pretty good. There's a lot of stuff. I like this.